Hey you, do you want to create some dynamic animations like Dhruv Rathi, Nitish Rajput, and Saklan Khan? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create this type of head and hand moving animation in Alight Motion. So, without wasting a single second, let's dive right in. First of all, select your green background in Alight Motion. Now simply add your image as a PNG, then go to Effects. Here, add an effect called Bend. Click on Bend and open the effect. Now you'll see options for top, bottom, left, and right. If you select bottom and change the angle, it will actually change the top angle. Basically, it works in opposite directions. So, if I select top and change the angle, the bottom side will move. Same for left and right. If I select right and change the angle, it affects the left side. If I select left, it affects the right side. Now, what we'll do is select bottom to change the top angle. All you have to do is select bottom, click on Angle, and then add a keyframe at the starting point. Change the angle value to about 5 so the top moves. Then add one more keyframe at the last point and change the angle to -5. Next, we'll add a graph between the keyframes. Click on the graph option, select this one, and adjust the curve like this. Done. Now let's check a quick preview. As you can see, your image is moving too much. So, we'll fix it by adjusting the start percentage. Increase it to about 30%. The percentage depends on your image, so adjust as needed. You can also change the background. And now your head animation is ready. Now let's animate the head and hands together. Just repeat the same process for the head. Okay, so the head animation is done. Now, add an effect called Wipe. Crop the hand by adjusting the starting percentage. After cropping this image, select the layer again and click this icon to duplicate it. Hide the previous layer, then go to Effects on the new layer. Select the wipe effect again, but this time uncrop the hand by adjusting the start percentage. Done. Now crop the other part of the image by adjusting the end percentage. Don't crop the hand, only the other parts. Next, go back and click on the bend option again. Reduce the start percentage so the hand moves more than the head. Finally, unhide the other layer. Change the background, and your head and hand animation is ready in Alight Motion.